call it devil mass through the eyes of them Christian, quick to throw in the la paz. All that is African, but this thing that we call job, deep inside our we. When you see an oil we dab, that is we history. You see we descend from slave, and no, that wasn't nice. So no pretty mass we crave inside the paradise. And for all the things master do, today is judgment day. For the evil devil rule, it's the devil they has to pay. So three things the job to pray:
the grave, the jail, or the hospital.
We will call a spade a spade.
Though it costs we with funeral.
Cause we were born in protest, and we will give them no rest. Once we see things going wrong, so long the job must stay down. One intention we have,
to be your warriors all year long.
so when with venom I start to grab,
It's more than job, much more than job.
with bucket of oil and I start to dab.
It's more than job, much more than job. It's more than job, much more than job. It's more than job, much more than job.
From the mouth of them Christian God, from the same Bible we learn, all things were made from mud,
So to mud we must return.
so when the cracker done, we bathe with mud in the street. They want to treat us with scorn and to hypocrisy retreat. But we don't intend to please all who now blame sin. We go bring them to their knees, nasty them up with paint, up and down with we oil. The pretty world we go smell for all the things that they spoil.
Tell them judgment day is here.
Three things jab to pray.
Grave, the jail, or the hospital.
In mud and oil we just bathe.
Though it costs we with funeral.
Yes, we stink and dirty, for that is we duty. Once we see things going wrong, no, we won't surrender. We have one agenda,
To be your warriors all year long.
when with venom I start to go,
More than job, much more than job.
with bucket of oil and I start to dab.
More than job,
Much more than job.
It's more than job, much more than job. It's more than job, much more than job.
So when fire breathe out we mouth,
Fire go burn them.
warn them demons from north to south.
Fire go burn them now.
All who give we ancestors blood,
Fire go burn them.
all their wickedness we'll expose.
Fire go burn them now.
Who in slavery did loot and rape,
Fire go burn them.
from our judgment there's no escape.
Fire go burn them now.
All who caught we treasures away,
Fire go burn them.
now the devil they'll have to pay.
Fire go burn them now. It's more than job, much more than job. It's more than job, much more than job.
All Juve routines are steeped in African ritual. Spiritual meaning run deep, like the roots of our carnival. But folks in their ignorance think devil worship, no doubt. Like the double standards they dance, like the trash
Coming
coming out.
out their mouth.
But all who condemn and scorn, in the mirror they must look. All who thief we money and gone, all them foul, the bent it crook. So when you see we play man, blood dripping out we mouth. So they treat the lower class.
North, east, west, and south.
Tell them no job to pray.
Grave, the jail, or the hospital.
We go call a spade a spade.
Though it costs we with funeral.
Cause we won't retire. We spitting fire. Once we see things going wrong, breathing like a dragon. We have one intention,